បាទជំរាបសួរហ្នឹងហើយ Hello good morning everyone Hello my YouTube friends ladies and gentlemen thank you so much for keep watching our videos and learning Khmer from these videos today I'm very honored to come back and trying to shoot like a short videos to share my knowledge and skills with you guys so today's Khmer lessons we are going to talk a little bit about some phrases that are very important, especially with your daily activities. Okay, so the first sentence that I'm going to share with you is in English we say I'm hungry. I'm hungry. So what do you say in Khmer? What do you say in Khmer? I'm hungry. I give you 1 minute to think about that, or less than a minute maybe. Okay. What do you say? I'm hungry in Khmer. Okay. I'm gonna count from 1 to 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm hungry. In Khmer, we say Nhom Klien. Nhom Klien. Nhom Klien. Nhom Klien. So try this. Nhom Klien. Nhom Klien. Nhom Klien. Nhom Klien. Okay. Nhom Klien. Okay. The next sentence. Have you eaten breakfast yet? Have you eaten breakfast yet? The same rule. I'm going to count from 1 to 10. Okay? See, this is very common in Cambodia. When you meet people in the morning, especially your colleague in the morning, it is a very polite way to ask somebody if he or she have eaten something yet. Actually, we don't really care, right? We don't really care in our culture whether you ate or haven't eaten yet. But it is another ways of greetings in Khmer. We ask these questions when we meet each other, especially our colleagues, our friends in the morning. Have you eaten yet? Okay, I'm going to count from 1 to 10. Okay, if you know this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you say that? What is in Khmer? Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten breakfast yet? Many people, many language teacher would say តើអ្នកញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកហើយនៅតើអ្នកញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកហើយនៅញ៉ាំអីហើយនៅញ៉ាំអីហើយនៅញ៉ាំអីហើយនៅ For example Hey David ញ៉ាំអីហើយនៅ Hey David ញ៉ាំអីហើយនៅញ៉ាំអីហើយនៅញ៉ាំអីហើយនៅ Okay great Now let's jump to question or sentence number 3. Okay, question number 3. How do you say how are you doing? What's up? What is going on in Khmer? This is also very common when you meet your colleagues, your friends, even strangers maybe on the street with your tuk-tuk driver. You should say, how are you doing? Okay, how are you doing in Khmer? Same rule. I'm going to count from 1 to 10, but this time I'm going to count in Khmer from 1 to 10. So again, this is a good chance for you to learn number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have that? How are you doing, Khmer? Many language teacher, my language teachers say, ta nè sọc sờ bài tê, ta nè sọc sờ bài tê. This is very formal. This is very formal. In spoken, we say, sọc sờ bài ắt, sọc sờ bài ắt, sọc sờ bài ắt, sọc sa bài ắt, sọc sờ bài ắt, sọc sờ bài ắt. For example, hey David, sọc sờ bài ắt. Hey David, sọc sờ bài ắt. Hey David, sọc sờ bài ắt. Or you can say, Mayai, sọc sờ bài ắt. 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 Great, thank you very much. So I hope these 3 sentences is going to help you pronunciation sentences that you need for daily activity, for daily greetings. Thank you very much and have a good day. អរគុណច្រើនបាទជំរាបលា